So in this video, we are going to see how to install a Grafana on a Linux machine. So here I'm using the Linux version. This is Linux. Okay, so you have to get the packages for Grafana. It's about the Grafana. Once you get these packages and install the Grafana Enterprise RPM on the system. So RPM minus IVH install this version. So once during the installation, you'll get this sort of installing this version, and you can also check the version using rpm-qa, the version for the Grafana. So I will show you that. So rpm-qa Grafana. So that will give you the version name. So the system I've already installed Grafana. And to start the Grafana service, you have to use the command Grafana. So the start, and then check the status of the Grafana service to show that how the services has been running. Sometimes when you install a Grafana, the ports will be blocked. So then there will be a firewall rules for some ports or for security reasons. So it's better to disable the IP tables. So once you install and the process is up and running, you will be able to open the Grafana. So Grafana, usually the port IP address is this. So once the Grafana process is running, when you keep the IP address colon 3000 port, the Grafana UI opens like this, and the default username and password is admin. Once you log in, the Grafana dashboard looks like this. Okay, where you can create a data source,